Hey guys, welcome to Hardest Info. Today I have Nubia Pad 3D and I want to show you how I'd remove magnification on this device. To do it, go to the settings where we look for our features selection, the accessibility, and there we scroll down to magnification option. Now we switch on, confirm by OK, and we have our shortcut magnification, which position we can easily change by tap on, swipe on the screen and set where we want. To turn on it, we press on it and tap on our screen to zoom. You can also zoom more, or to change position of our zoom, we must use two fingers and we can swipe on the screen. When we use one, we can only go up and down. To turn off it, we press again on our shortcut magnification. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye!